All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Tell them where we're at.
We're in Old Town Kissimmee.
Yes, and what's next to it too?
Fun spot.
Yeah. Where's the little sign? Oh, it's over there. Anyways, what are we doing today?
We're gonna meet Pops and walk around and look at the old cars. So tonight is Saturday night, so all the cars are 1983 and older.
Correct. And then on Friday nights, I'm not positive, they have a car show as well, and that's any style car.
Correct.
So if you want to come and do that as well. I don't know if you've ever been to Old Town. I just told her I've been coming here for almost 30 years, off and on. It was built in, I think, the late 80s. Anyways, if you're familiar with Kissimmee, Florida, it's right off of, what's that, 192?
192 Orlo Bronson Highway.
Right.
So near I Drive. So, it's not a great, you can't see it, but up and down this strip, facing where we're looking are like old shops that have been around for a while, and this is where all the old hotels used to be, where people would stay and go to Disney.
Right, we're just west of Disney. We're not far. If you ever get a chance, if you're interested in, if you like going to Disney World, hypothetically, you might want to come to this side of town as well. Besides Old Town, what's this fun spot? Right. They have medieval times. They have a lot of other different things regarding tourists. Yeah, restaurants, shops. A little less money, wouldn't you say?
Yeah,
obviously a lot cheaper than being on Disney property.
Very touristy.
So tonight we're going to actually, I'm going to shoot the show, because a lot of times, if you don't know this or not, I shoot videos of my father going to all these different car shows, and today he's actually not bringing his car because it's supposed to rain. He hates rain. But anyways, I'm going to shoot the car show anyways, and I'm also going to shoot the exterior of the parade, and then I have a video I'm going to add on to when I was inside my father's car when he went through the parade. So you're going to get kind of both things.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Anything else? I can edit it, but what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, they opened a Frogger's Bar and Grill here. We're old friends with the owner from Frogger's. I don't know if you know anything about Frogger's, but it used to be kind of our local, like Hooters. Used to be a bunch of them. So hopefully I'm going to go inside there. I may even do some shooting. We're going to see the old owner. And what else? Oh, and if you want to also eat around here, sometimes you may not like the food. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But there's also a Red Lobster here. What else over there? Pacino's Italian restaurant. So there's other restaurants to eat besides just coming into this area.
A lot of variety of eateries.
Tons of them. All right. And there's an there's a Starbucks that stays open late. I think too. Anyways, I'll edit that out. Who gives a shit? All right, we're going to go inside. Now I remember what I was going to say. It's actually right near Celebration.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so if you ever come to visit Disney and you want to check out Celebration, which is a community that was originally built by Disney, it's right across from here. So you could go from Disney World, you could come to Old Town, fun spot, and even check out Celebration. I'd go to Celebration during the day. Personally, there's a lot more to do there. I think it's a lot.
What do you call it? Saturday markets.
Oh, they have Saturday. See, I didn't even know that. But
and Christmas time is beautiful.
Yeah, so definitely if you do come to this area, check out Celebration as well. All right. All right, we are recording. Let's walk through this. All right. Dude's got an old time car here. All right. Let's do my best here. Give an idea what cars are here tonight. Nice, we got some Fords. It's not easy to videotape here, it's very busy. Here we go. Great look at ZZ Top again. It's a pretty color. All right, let's go up over the top. Little mouse sting. All right. Let's keep it going here. This looks like a baby Duesenberg. My God, this was my cousin had one of these. A little MG. Oh my God, look at this Nova, Rhea. All right. Oh. I like these.
Semi-automatic, no clutching.
cute. Look at this. Z28. Nice. All right. This is it. They all got a car and then a miniature version of their car. All right. Also at Old Town, they have a band on weekends. I don't know if it's every weekend. I'm pretty sure it is. I know it's at least on Saturdays. This is where they go. This is a hot little spot here. Everybody comes for drinks, coffee, everything in between. All right. And then behind me here, I'll give a quick glance to you. That's the slingshot here. There's the wooden roller coaster they had. And there's another ride. So. All right. Stay on this side of me. There you go. Look at this car. Hey. Look at this beast. Right. School Chevy. Yeah, it's still early. The parade's not for another couple hours, so, but I'm getting good light. And it's not as busy, so I can shoot this without so many people being in the way. So yeah, here's the entrance, the fun spot. It's like their local carnival for Kissimmee. I'd say more than anything, they're known for their go-karts, their track. So there it is. There it is. All right, nice Dodge. These old colors, cool. I'll get some more cars later. Like I said, it's still early. Boom, let's go over here very quickly. Ah, little Herbie the Love Bug stuff. Look at this RX-7, this is old school. Back it up here. Check out this little Herbie the Love Bug. I've seen this car here before. at this. Z28. Nice. All right. This is it. They all got a car and then a miniature version of their car. All right. Also at Old Town, they have a band on weekends. I don't know if it's every weekend. I'm pretty sure it is. I know it's at least on Saturdays. This is where they go. This is a hot little spot here. Everybody comes for drinks, coffee, everything in between. All right. And then behind me here, I'll give a quick glance to you. That's the slingshot here. There's the wooden roller coaster they had. And there's another ride. So. All right. Stay on this side of me. There you go. Look at this car. Hey. Look at this beast. And sometimes just a heads up regarding this show, it's hit or miss. I think because it said there's a 90% chance of rain tonight from like 7 to 9. A lot of people don't bring out their cars, very like my father, for instance. So, oh my goodness, little Fiats. I used to love that car when I was little. I never realized how small it was. I never realized how small those Fiats were. Got a little Sylvester on there. Nice. Got an old school Camaro here. So the car show is on one street, and then if you go into another street, which is basically just west of that, then you're going to get into the shopping area here. And just a heads up, it's usually around $10 to park around here. I'd be very careful, don't park in the restaurants if you're not eating there. But there's kind of an idea what it looks like. They have arcades, restaurants, there's an A&W, and it's kind of got that old style feeling with the brick roads, like kind of like Disney's concept to a certain degree, just much different level, obviously, making it look very old and traditional. Video today. There we go. Look at this. Old shooting gallery. It's crazy. All right, it's got a haunted manor. It's got the clown from It.
That's their asking price. We usually sell at their asking price because we buy it at
That's awesome. So this is going to be the last section I shoot of Old Town, but this is mainly their square, the most popular area. Just kind of giving you an idea what it looks like. It's even where they have their Disney gift store. I'd go this way, but it's all under construction, but maybe you could see, I'll zoom in. I couldn't go on the road, actually, to shoot it because it was under construction and too loud, but there you go. That's normally what it's gonna look like when you enter some huge 50s style jukebox. And there's Southern Breeze. Let's back it up. There you go. That's gonna be the hottest spot in about an hour or two. And there's where, like I mentioned earlier, where the band's gonna be playing and everyone dances, and there's where I get coffee. Coffee works. All right. This beautiful dog. All right. Here they come. I'm right at the front entrance here. So yeah, I think tonight was still a slow kind of night, like I said, because rain was expected. But there you go. So like I said, also, I'm gonna shoot this, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you what it looks like to be inside of this parade from my father's car, going through the crowd. Look at this old Dodge. Nice. Yeah, I shot this little GTO earlier with this beautiful dog. Yee, look at the dog! Oh shit, look at this Dodge. Oh man, I dig this old ride. I didn't get that earlier. Nice. My father used to have one of these, if not this style. This old Chevy truck. Nice. All right. Yep. Pretty sure I got that one earlier. I don't remember getting this one. Nice. Maybe I did. How you doing? Eee. Like that. Oh, here we go. Here we go, ZZ Top style. That's cool. I gotta get one of these, I think. It's Italian and I like it. Nice. A little mouse sting. Z28, man. If you were born in the in the 60s or just even around in the 70s and 80s, this was a car. T-tops and all. Convertible, super sport. Look at this jacked up. I didn't get this earlier. Yeah, I'm waiting for the general lead. They usually have a couple that come through. Got a nice stripe on the side of this Ford. Almost like a Starsky and Hutch stripe. Nice. Another Z. Bug. I'm down with this. I'm ready to get an old school car like this Caddy. I love it. Hell yeah. Oh, I know we got this earlier. Gangster style. What is this little mother? Ooh-wee. Ah, he's got the gun in there. Jeez. What the hell is that? Oh, here comes the legit Herbie. Yeah, a lot of these cars I didn't get earlier because we came during the daylight and then I went to eat dinner. So, a lot more showed up than I thought. Nice. Look at this. The reason I'm going up and down is because people keep walking in front of me. Ah, look at this nice little girl. Be careful, please. I don't trust that. SS. Camaro. Chevy. All right, there you go. Old Town. I think it's Saturday night, 1983, vintage. So basically any car that's 83 and down. So yeah, Friday nights, I'm pretty sure they still have car shows for every style car, but Saturday is a night that brings out all the vintage. Anyways, I'm gonna also shoot a video now from the perspective of when I was here before with my father from inside his car. I think he's playing ZZ Top. If you know anything about me, I'm always uploading unique videos all over North America, car shows, gyms. I also have a Mastering Self-Confidence program out there where I help men try to master their self-confidence. So I put up videos on that as well, including Italian restaurants and a bunch of other shit all over the place. So if you get a chance, subscribe. Who's behind me? Oh, I'm sorry, my man. I'm in the middle of the street. No, thank you, brother. So yeah, if you get a chance, subscribe. And what else do I got? I'm on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. So yeah, one more shot of Old Town Kissimmee. There you go. Looks a lot cooler at night. There's the slingshot, and there's their entrance. All right, here I go.